When talking about racism, critical whiteness, white privilege, different actors have different things in mind. Racism not only shapes the experiences of those affected, but the coexistence of all. Hello, my name is Elizabeth, and I am a critical whiteness trainerin, diversity management trainerin, and life coach. I offer critical workshops and raceThink dinner. Critical Whiteness Workshop offers you an introduction to dealing with racism and the perception of your own whiteness. It takes the eyes off those who experience racism and directs it to social, economic, and cultural power relationships. You see, whiteness goes along with privilege, where we usually not perceive or experience as such. Being white is an unmarked position from where others are being described, tagged, and rated. My critical workshops offer you the opportunity to question your own socialization and systems in an interactive way in order to open up and synthesize yourself on how to identify subtle racism and to react against it. Participants are offered an opportunity to continuously deal with concepts which continuously uphold the oppressive system of white supremacy, which has to be uncovered. This interactive workshop does not only illuminate the obvious racism, but also inspires participants to question their everyday models, thought patterns, and privileges in dealing with each other. My second workshop, it has a totally different format, raceThink dinner. As the founder of raceThink dinner, I take racial discussions back to the dining table where it always begins. This unique format is the first of its kind in Germany or in Europe for that matter. No more boring workshops with detailed programs and presentations. Back to the core where participants will have the opportunity to discuss with African and Black people. Learn more about their racial experience, have an opportunity to discover your blind spots, which you may never have identified as a white person in a position to be racial, yet has painful effects on Africans, Blacks, and people of color. Learn where the indoctrinations begin, where disenfranchising of people begin, and the pains of our skin. Participants attending this raceThink dinner workshop will be required to have read 2 books which are related to this topic. These 2 books are the integral construction of the raceThink dinner workshop and will be used at the dining table during discussions. Both workshops are exclusively for white people only. For African, Black, Indigenous people, and people of color, I offer Ubuntu Healing and Talking Circle meetings both on and offline. Are you interested in discovering your own position in terms of white privilege? Do you want to find out what are those historical connections, social psychological knowledge about racism and their social impact? Its intersectional linkage to development and how you can be equipped to help break the systematic racism? Then email me at ehorleman@gmail.com or horleman@icpe-africa.com to book to attend a workshop or book a workshop for your team. Thank you.